So to show you some examples of what the machine is capable of producing, here we have the heat exchanger, which was made with aluminum. The printing time for this part is 12.5 hours. 3D metal printing advances energy heat exchangers with intricate and efficient designs, optimizing thermal performance in energy systems. Here we have the worm gear Lauren supercharger. It was also built with aluminum. The printing time is 12 hours. These superchargers improve engine efficiency, increase power output, and offer design flexibility for various automotive and industrial applications. There is an impeller made with nickel alloy. Metal 3D printing allows us to complete intricate designs, optimizing aerodynamics and enhancing engine efficiency. The model is more lightweight, it's customizable, and improves the fuel efficiency and performance in challenging aerospace conditions. This part was made with nickel alloy. This is a tool used for mold making. It is a custom and durable design. The next example is used for patient-specific jaw reconstruction. This was made with titanium. Titanium was used because this is a biocompatible material, which ensures perfect fit and function. 3D printing with metal allows us to produce complex structures, enhancing facial aesthetics and patient comfort. This is an example of a part printed with tungsten for X-ray equipment. Customizable and lightweight, they enhance image clarity by reducing scattered radiation. Finally, here is design made with copper. So this is an example of metal 3D printed jewelry, which once again offers customizable design with exceptional detail. Precise and durable, it allows for intricate patterns and unique shapes, not easily achievable through traditional methods of manufacturing.